Welcome to the Deep Dive. I'm your host, and today we are looking into we're engineering sleep for 2026. And I'm the resident expert today. We are definitely done with the generic just get enough rest advice, right? Exactly. You know that feeling where you get 8 hours but still wake up feeling like you got hit by a truck. We want specific tools, life hacks. Yeah, a real tactical stack. We pulled from Dr. Scott Eiler's The Time for Growth channel, Dr. Christopher Allen on Fox 11 Los Angeles, and some really fascinating data from Arizona. The mission is simple. We're unpacking the science to give you practical protocols for high-energy mornings. Right, and let's jump straight into the golden rule. Dr. Eilers has this, he calls it his highest conviction move. Which honestly sounds a little painful. You have to wake up at the exact same time 7 days a week. Even on weekends. Right. I know it sounds harsh, but the science is rock solid. Your wake-up time is the anchor for your entire biological clock. Because you don't really have an off switch for sleep, but you do have an on switch. Exactly. And to force that switch, Eilers suggests a physical life hack: move the alarm across the room. Oh yeah, if you can reach your phone from the pillow, you've already lost. You have to physically get out of bed. By the time you're standing up, that friction of waking up is mostly gone. And once you're vertical, Dr. Allen says you need to start the timer right away. You need 10 minutes of bright light. Either a window or light box. This is crucial because your eyes are the input device for your brain's clock. That light hits the retina, triggers a cortisol spike, and basically tells the body to be alert right now. So that the sleep pressure builds up correctly 16 hours later, you blast the system with light in the morning. But then, Time for Growth argues you have to do the exact opposite at night, implementing a digital sunset. 1 hour before bed. We all know blue light is bad, but it literally tricks your brain into thinking it's noon. Yeah, if you stare at a screen at 10 p.m., you are pushing your sleep window back by an hour. Regardless of when you actually close your eyes, they recommend a wind-down period of about 30 to 60 minutes. And the journaling hack really caught my attention here. You don't just write a diary, you specifically write down wins or worries. It's a data dump. Psychologists found this physically offloads your brain's baggage onto paper. And it drops cortisol by 20%. You aren't carrying that stress into sleep. This is vital if you want to hit what Arizona calls the melatonin window. Melatonin peaks right there. If you go to bed at 1 a.m., you've missed half the recovery wave. Dr. Allen has the 3S rule. The bed is reserved strictly for sleep, sickness, and sex. Keep the room cool, 65 to 68 degrees. Use an audio tool like a white noise machine. If you do wake up, treat it as a second wind down. Get out of bed and do something boring. Caffeine metabolism is misunderstood. It has a quarter life of 12 hours. Consistency beats intensity. Anchor that wake-up time. Protect the 11 p.m. window. Quality over quantity. Something for you to sleep on.